All right, so today is Friday the 27th. Come on, computer. Right, so today is 3/27. Today we're going to go from intercept form to standard form. So if you go back to the chart you started on Wednesday, this is where you need to fill in. We're going from intercept to standard, and you need to fill in this word multiply and put the arrow. Intercept form, standard form. To get there, you have to multiply. Okay? So let's do a few examples. Remember, we have to multiply. Example 1, y equals x minus 7 times x plus 1. So to do this, we have to multiply. X times x is x squared. X times 1 is 1x. Negative 7 times x is negative 7x. Negative 7 times 1 is negative 7. Now all we have to do here is combine those middle terms, the x squared and the minus 7. They stay the same. Okay? But 1x minus 7x gives you negative 6x, and then bring down this minus 7, and you're done. You easily went from intercept form to standard form. Quick and easy. Okay, let's do another example. We have y equals x minus 5 times x minus 3. So distribute your x here and here. X times x is x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. And then negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15. So again, now what we have to do is combine those middle two terms. Bring down your x squared. Negative 3x minus 5x is negative 8x. And then bring down the plus 15. All you have to do to get from intercept form to standard form is you multiply. So I've given you two practice problems that I want you to do and upload to Canvas. I'll show you what they look like. You don't have to print this. You can if you have a printer, but you don't have to. This isn't like the ones we had last week where you had a graph. But you can simply write these problems down on a piece of paper. It doesn't even have to be notebook paper. It can be printer paper. Write these problems down, complete them like we just did here in the example. That's how you do those problems. You multiply and then upload them to Canvas. Take a picture and upload the file. Okay? Have a great weekend.